Damn, your face is black.
Damn, you don't even have a face.
I don't have a face.
Take a picture showing that. You can't see
No,
it.
okay, now, look, move your hand. Damn. You look like a reaper. I'm recording you. What is that? Shake, tweaking.
Can you see my face?
And now I can. I see your nose.
Where am I now?
Okay, yeah. Now brush your hair back. You gay as hell. This is going on Facebook.
No, the fuck is not.
Yes, it is. Cat Stacks.
Somebody come get me. I'm going to them, man. I'm fucked up, though.
Do you have anything to say?
I'm hungry.
Who's gonna save you?
Shout out to them twins from Bad Girls Club.
Ew.
Danny. I do.
Thirsty. This is what you call a thirsty ass nigga on the west side.
Who else?
Yes.
Who else? Who was that nigga prepping him?
Turtle. Turtle.
What?
Say what up. Damn, that's it.
We chillin', Moto Dragon. Get your Angry Bird in your ass, boy.
Yo, E-Money in the building. You know what it is. We off the Hennessy. And some loud.
Loud pack.
I am so high and I'm not supposed to be smoking.
What time takes
Anyways, love you guys.